like my back spot caught my ankle, so I was just there trying not to fall.
No one caught the torso or
Nope.
feet laying on the ground?
Nope. Or sometimes they just catch my feet and the rest of me is on the ground. And then they just don't let go of my feet, so I'm just there.
Braver than I am.
Was it so good? Yeah. They did?
I'm sure that hurts way worse than running across the middle and getting drilled by a safety or a linebacker. You guys do all the home games then?
Yeah,
No travel, right?
No away games.
Do they do it like freshman, JV, varsity all in one day?
No, JV and varsity are usually like Tuesdays, and then freshmen are usually Mondays.
This right side's definitely tight. Any competitions recently?
No, I have one tomorrow though.
Is your guys' varsity basketball team any good?
No idea.
Is the freshman team any good?
They're okay.
Do you know what's happening in the game?
Yeah, they
Beyond
won.
just the ball goes in the bucket.
They won their first 2 games, but they lost the last one. I knew that.
Stupid. Super stupid. Just go on that right side. Do you have cheer practice after this?
Yep.
Fancy shoes.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Other side. Kind of looks like a sea urchin.
Okay, go get the small one.
Where are the headaches usually at? How often are you getting them? When are you getting them?
Every day after cheer practice. You look very strange just sitting here.
Just getting content, doing my job.
Showing off her daughter. Should we tag you on our socials? Trying to relax that neck as much as you can. It's super stiff over here. Just trying to relax that neck as much as you can. So I'm going to hold here and underneath the jaw too. And take a deep breath in. Move all that air out. Keep those jaw closed. Good. A little crunchy.
You're done? Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Can you hear it?
Oh,
Oh.
Let's try this one.
Wait, no, wait, she said you could take that home. Can I take this home?
No. Put it back.
can you put it back in the drawer? That's there if you ever need it.
I'll work this spot here. So now if you look straight down to the floor and turn the chin
Go
to the
visit
right.
Miss Rachel and get a sticker.
And back up. And down to the right. A little sore there.
Mm-hmm. You say please.
A little grindy in there.
Mm-hmm.
Which hurts worse, this or getting dropped?
This.
Ha! Well, stop getting dropped.
Good job.
All the way out. And pull that arm all the way across the chest. Use the other hand to pull.
No.
Try to pull at the, yep. So try and pull at the elbow. So starting here, Going all the way across. Just reach underneath. There you go. That's a little bit easier. Good. And back. Good. Good. And back. Good. And back. Do a couple more here. Good. One more. Good. I'm gonna adjust this shoulder blade also. So take this hand and put it over here. And just relax this elbow up. I'm gonna reach around, get a bit of a bear hug here to try and get that shoulder blade to rock back.